The 2022 Toyota Hilux protected with a Meta tag-based system. If a thief copied this key, done a rear attack, or like they're doing on the Hiluxes, smashing the rear window in the back, trying to gain entry, they go to start the vehicle, nothing happens. I'll just show you again. Try and start the vehicle, nothing happens. This silence gives you about 10 seconds to prove that it's you by pressing the button on the tag, but obviously if it's a thief, that's not going to happen. The hazards are going to go off. The horn's going off. The only way to silence it is pressing this tag and receiving a flash which confirms it's us. If not, the horn and hazards are going to go off, the vehicle's going to be immobilised and it's going to be secure. For you to drive this every day is nice and simple. You get in the truck, you press the button on the tag, receive a flash, and you're good to go. You start the vehicle up, fires into life, and you can drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Meta tag-based system with 2 tags. Press the button, drive away. 2 minutes later when you pull up, system's active, vehicle's not going anywhere. This fires the horn, fires the hazards and immobilises the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.